and take one. And then I'm gonna go, put it away. Hey, hi guys, welcome to the new Vine cooking channel. In this channel, we're all about delicious plant-based food. In these videos, I'm gonna teach you how to cook these. They're really deliciously tasty plant-based food, but food that also has a focus on nutrition in diet. Each recipe will come with a printable full breakdown of nutritional values, and it's gonna be linked below. We're going to kick off with a delicious plant-based snack for Halloween. To start, we're making delicious pumpkin pancakes. This recipe makes 8 pancakes, and at roughly 72 grams per pancake, you will be getting 125 calories, 19 grams of carbs, 2.9 grams of protein, and 3.8 grams of fat. Okay guys, so to start, you're gonna need 250 grams of pumpkin. Just roast it in the oven for about an hour on 180 degrees, and you're gonna get something like this. Next, you're gonna need a tablespoon of tahini, a tablespoon of applesauce, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 25 grams of vegan butter, 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar, 200 grams of plain flour. You can replace this with spelt flour if you want it to be healthier, but it will be heavier. And lastly, you're gonna wanna prepare a vegan buttermilk. So I haven't seen it in the markets here, but you might find it in the States. So basically all you need to do is squeeze half a lemon, which will equal to about 1 tablespoon of lemon, to a jug, and on top of it pour 125 ml of organic soy milk. Let it sit for 10 minutes, and there you go. You have yourself a vegan buttermilk. Okay, so we're fleshing out the pumpkin. Okay, so we have our pumpkin in. We're gonna put our buttermilk in. We're gonna put our sugar. We have the tahini. Make sure you scrape all that tahini out of it. And we're gonna top it up with our flour. Okay, we're gonna whiz it all up. Okay guys, so check out this consistency. Really nice and thick. Exactly what we want for fluffy pancakes to be like. Okay guys, so turn on your hob on medium heat. We're gonna put a tiny bit of vegan butter on it. So about 2 tablespoons, just in the center. And we're not gonna wait for it to bubble all around here, because otherwise it's gonna burn. Okay guys, so I've prepared a butterscotch, salted caramel and pecan sauce, which you can find on my blog, and I'm gonna put that on top of my pancakes. You can really use any sort of toppings that you want, but this is just so good. And since it's Halloween, I'm gonna decorate my pancakes with some spiders. Also, they're so cute. If you're interested in more plant-based recipes with detailed nutrition breakdowns, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you to Nutrilix for the detailed nutritional report provided in the link below.